Over naman yung mukha ko. Hi guys, Razel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing my favorites video. I feel like I say this every month, pero anong nangyari sa July? Bakit ang bilis? Ang bilis-bilis ng panahon. My goodness, ilang buwan na lang aalis na ako dito. Anyway, I will just go ahead and go. I have some accessories that I'm gonna show you guys. This is not just beauty. I have some random stuff that I'm gonna show you. Well, not really much. It's still like mostly beauty stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the non-beauty related that I have. This is my very first favorite of this month. This is the bag from the Kardashian collection. Someone corrected me how to pronounce Kardashian. Am I saying it wrong? Because I feel like I'm saying it right naman. Kardashian collection, whatever. This bag looks like this. Sida nagbayad nito. Original price niya is $110. Tapos yung nabayaran niya lang is only $36. Nabili namin to sa Harbour Town dito sa Adelaide. Sobrang mumura doon. I love shopping there. Ito na yung bag na lagi kong ginagamit talaga. Gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya ganun kalaki. Hindi din siya super liit. Sobrang perfect lang talaga. Tapos hindi pa siya ganun kamahal kasi on sale nga siya. So, bongga yan. I actually feature that in a haul. Pero yung haul na yun, I think ma-upload siya a few days after this video is uploaded. I just checked my schedule earlier and I thought na yung haul na yun is ma-upload like 2 days before this. Pero hindi pala. Change of schedule. Churbalong. Pero yeah, it will be up in 3-4 days maybe. We'll see. Next favorite are chokers. As you guys can see, I have been wearing chokers lately. I like them. This I got from GearBest. I really like this kasi meron siyang parang double chain na ganap. And this one as well. Ito yung favorite ko. I like that the chain is like velvety and thick. Those are from GearBest. I will leave their links below. Okay, so sa beauty stuff na tayo, I'm gonna start with makeup. First favorite of mine. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's on my face right now. The reason why sobrang glowing ng aking mukha, my gosh. If you watch my video regularly, alam nyo na mafe-feature ko to sa favorites ko. Kasi I use it all the time. Like, every single video, I wear it. Like, kapag lumalabas kami, nag-highlight na ako. Like, hindi naman ako nag-highlight noon. Pero, when I receive this, I just cannot not use highlight. Sobrang gusto ko siya. I feel like I don't have to say that. Kasi alam nyo na naman. Kasi nga, I wear it all the time. Pero ito yung Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. Yung Champagne Pop. Alam ko, alam na alam nyo tong lahat. It looks like that. Meron siyang dot right there. I'm pretty sure that's from a nail polish. It is so freaking pretty. Again, I have it on my cheeks right now. I feel like I overdid my highlight again today. Tapos on the bridge of my nose as well. Tapos dito din sa Cupid's bow ko. Those are the areas of my face na lagi ko nilalagyan ng highlight. You do not need a lot with this highlight at all. And the brush that I use to apply my highlight is this brush right here. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong pangalan niya kasi I got this from GearBest. It's a set of, I think, 24 brushes. Tapos ito yung pinakamalaking brush and it's a fan brush obviously, and this is the brush that I use to apply my highlight. Nung una, yung ginagamit ko is yung maliit na fan brush from the same set. Kaya lang tsaka siya. Kasi hindi ganun nagre-register yung highlight sa mukha ko. This brush works out perfectly. By the way, this is available sa Sephora PH. I will leave the link below if you guys wanna get it. Kasi if you buy this, I think this is 1,600 pesos. And if you buy this, free shipping na siya automatically. Kasi they will offer free shipping if you reach 1,300. So yeah. Okay, next one is a blush. I have it on my face as well. This is the Too Faced. Hindi ko makita yan. Sweethearts Perfect Blush. No. Perfect Flush Blush. This is in the shade Something About Berry. Look how pretty! Meron na siyang tatlong kulay. Tapos, I like na it's not like super harsh. Meron pa rin siyang parang highlight na ganap. Hindi lang siya yung matte na blush. Wala akong problema sa mga matte na blush. I like those as well. Pero mas prefer ko yung mga baked na mayroong mga shimmer, ganon. And then the brush that I use to apply this is this one right here from the same set from GearBest. And this one, sobrang gusto ko siya pang-apply ng blush kasi hindi siya ganun kalaki. Malaki siya, pero medyo may pagka-tapered as you guys can see. So, hindi siya like buhaghag. Kapag buhaghag to, pang powder na to. Pero hindi kasi. Tapered kasi siya. So, ginagamit ko siya pang blush and I super duper like it. Okay, next makeup is the Maybelline Pure Concealer Mineral Healthy Natural Concealer. I do have a review on this. This one is in the shade Why Are You Not Focusing? There, it looks like that. that. I am in the shade 02. Nabili ko to sa Pilipinas. Again, may review na ako na to. I will leave the link of that video below. I decided to feature this in the favorites video kasi nung ginawa ko yung Hugot Get Ready With Me video ko, sobrang daming nagtanong, sobrang daming message sa akin. Ano yung ginamit mong concealer? Ito yung gamit kong concealer sa video na yun. And ito din yung gamit kong concealer for I do not know how many weeks now. Bonggang-bongga siya pang under eyes. Hindi siya ganun kabongga pang cover ng mga blemishes, especially yung mga bumpy na blemishes. Pero sa under eyes, bongga to. And sobrang tagal na sa akin nito. Hindi naman as in sobra. Pero matagal na sa akin ito and meron pa rin ako. So, yun. Sa lip products naman, hindi ko na i-feature yung ColourPop kasi lagi na lang. And alam niyo naman na gustong-gusto ko yon. And gustong-gusto ko pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. I just don't wanna be repetitive. And gustong-gusto ko pa rin yung mga lip liners ko. Bonggang-bongga pa rin sila. Pero, a few days ago, I decided to use my Matte in Detail. This is in the shade Nema. I did a review on this before. And again, ginamit ko siya ulit mga few days ago. And I remember, my gosh, sobrang ganda ng formula nito. It has a very lightweight formula na sobrang dali lang niya i-apply sa lips. Nakalimutan ko na sobrang gusto ko pala to. Kaya nga dinala ko siya dito sa Australia. Sobrang konti lang ng dala kong makeup. And isa to sa mga dinala ko. Kasi I super duper like it. I just got reminded few days ago nung tinry ko siya ulit na ang ganda pala nito. Isuswatch ko siya for you. Ganyan yung shade niya. Sobrang bango din ito, you guys. The lighting just changed like freaking crazy. But, next lip product is this Lucas Popo Ointment. This is what I use on my lips every single night before ako matulog. Alam niyo naman ako, nagle-lip balm ako lagi before ako matulog. Before I use this, I use the Carmex Strawberry Lip Balm. And parang nafe-feel ko na nagda-dry pa rin yung lips ko kahit na yun yung ginagamit ko. Tapos minsan nagka-crack pa yung lips ko, which is crazy. So, I decided to switch on this one. I like this one. Hindi siya as sticky as the Carmex one. Meron pa rin days na nagka-crack ng slight yung aking lips. Pero hindi na siya as tsaka as before nung yung Carmex pa yung ginagamit ko. I actually saw pictures on Instagram. I do not remember what shop or maybe it was just an ad sa Instagram na binibenta nila to sa Pilipinas. So maybe you can get it there. Next beauty-related product is this Prestige. Prestige Mask Descargo. Someone commented on my video where I featured this mask na escargot is snail daw. So this is a snail mask. Sa lahat ng mask na nagamit ko from Mask Maven, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko because it's like hydrogel. Someone told me on the comments na Grace, it's called hydrogel. So yeah, hydrogel yung mask niya. Sobrang ganda niya sa feeling. Para siyang gel na basta ang ganda-ganda sa feeling. It is from the brand It's Skin. Yan. Sobrang social din ang packaging niya. Gold. Saan ka pa? Diba? Next favorite is a hair tool. This is the Remington Professional Smooth Finish Ceramic. Ito yung ginagamit kong hair straightener. Tapos nung kinurl ko din yung buhok ko, ito din yung gamit ko. Bongga! Sobrang ganda nito, you guys. $29 lang siya. And sobrang gusto ko siya. It works and it's good. And yes, yun. Wala na ko ibang masasabi. It's a hair straightener. It does the job. Tapos nagka-curl din siya ng buhok ko. And sa lahat siguro na hair straightener na nagamit ko, ito lang yung as in nag-work talaga. Nakumulot talaga yung buhok ko. Kasi as I mentioned on that Get Ready With Me video, dami ko ng beses tinry na magkulot-kulot ng buhok using a straightener before. Hindi siya nag-work. But with this hair straightener though, it worked and I love it. And then next thing is in this pouch right here. I also already featured this in my vlog. It is the Face Steamer Nano something steamer. This I got from GearBest as well. It is from the banda lang, nakakaloka. This is from the brand Kingdom Cares. It is the same brand as the comb hair straightener that I received from GearBest as well. Nag-add ako ng tubig. Ganito na lang karami yung tubig. You can also add toner dito kung gusto mo. 30% toner and tubig. Pero in my case, tubig lang. So kapag inopen mo siya dyan, magre-release siya ng steam automatically and magsi-steam siya ng face mo for 30 seconds. Actually, nagamit ko na siya before I filmed this video. Kaya siguro parang sobrang moisturizing na ng aking muka. I highly recommend this if you guys have dry skin and you want that nice steam on your face. Kasi yung steam niya, hindi naman mainit. Kasi diba, when we hear about steam, oh my gosh, mainit yan sa muka. Hindi siya mainit sa muka. It's very refreshing. It's very cooling. It's very nice feeling, yes. Last one is a nail polish. Hindi talaga natatapos yung aking favorites kapag walang nail polish. Like, hindi talaga. I always have nail polish on, and this is my favorite nail polish of the month. Ito yon. I've had this nail polish on for more than a week. Yes, nag-chip na siya. Can you see? Nag-chip na siya. Nag-slight lang naman, sa very tip lang. But then again, I've had this for more than a week. And sa lahat siguro ng Sinful colors na na-try ko, ito yung pinaka-long lasting. This is the Sinful Shine with Gel Tech. That is the shade name right there. Rendezvous. Yes. Sobrang ganda ng shade na to. I super duper like the formula as well. And yun na lahat yung favorites ko for this month. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget to be good. Bye!